Hello guys, was surfing in AliExpress and found very interesting small battery grinder. Decide to buy it to make a test.
One week later.
Hello guys, finally received delivery from China. Let's see what is inside. Have one wire for charging, set with some bits, a lot of items, some sand grinding rolls, cutting disc, some polishing material, different diameter of drill bits, brushes, and let's see main device, grinding pen. You can see here charging port, button to start. This grinding pen has 3 speed. This is first speed, second speed, and third speed. This button to open bit holder, and we can install some, for example, drill bit. You have to press this button and secure. Let's try to drill something. Okay, with drilling small holes on the plastic is clear. Let's try to use some another drill bit. Let's try to use such kind of disc for cutting. For this we have to find special holder, unscrew this bolt, take out one washer, then we put cutting disc, again washer, and our holder. Let's try to cut this plastic. It's going very easy. I will go straight to maximum speed. It's cutting very well. For small DIYs and work with plastic, this drill pen is perfect. By my opinion, I think it's good, and actually price is not very high. For small DIYs you can use this drill machine. It's very small and very comfortable to use it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.